Hi guys, how are you? As you can see in this mobile, verifying your account in this mobile problem FRP bypass. This mobile Huawei Wi-Fi 2018 model, and now remove FRP for use two fingered on screen, hold on screen. Do it. Talkback will automatically open. As you can see, Talkback is open now. Now swipe L and click on Talkback settings. Tap to double and use two finger and swipe up. So guys, disable explore by touch, use two finger and OK. Tap to double. Now use single and help and feedback, click. Now get started with voice. Do it, it's loading now. Here YouTube link open and play this video. YouTube. Now click on title. You can see here this video will open in YouTube, and Chrome browser automatically open now, and accept and continue. Do it. Next. No thanks. So now search this link frpfile.com, frpfile.com / bypass. When you enter this link, then search it and do it. It's worth searching now. Now guys, scroll down and download some application. Download Google Account Manager Android 8 and continue. Hello and OK. And next you have to download bypass FRP. First of all, install this Google Account Manager. Install it and do it. Now you have to click done, and now you have to download bypass FRP 1.0 APK and OK. And now open here, install this and open this application. When install it and click three dot and browse sign in and OK. Now you have to enter your Gmail. When you enter your Gmail, then click on next, and now you have to input your password and sign in. Signing completed. Now you have to press power button for restart your mobile and click restart. Do it, it's restarting now. And guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Do it, don't forget subscription. Do it, is restarting now. Working now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Phone is restart completed. Now guys, get start. Next it and escape, agree and agree, join later and agree, next and next. Do it, checking for update. This may take a minute. Set up as a new, next and later, escape anyway. next. Okay, escape, checking for object. Get started. So guys, FRP bypass is removed now and mobile is clear and completed. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Now I'm going to next videos. Bye, be back later. See you next and take care.